Legal outsourcing. That means using external expertise and resources efficiently and cost-effectively. Leah does not know what to do. Recently, her colleague Max went on parental leave. Now she has to advise the rest of her colleagues on all the legal aspects of digitalization, all by herself. Hiring a parental leave replacement is not worthwhile for Leah's company, but it's also out of the question for Leah to advise her colleagues on the difficult legal topics of digitalization all by herself. Neither she nor Max have the necessary highly specialized knowledge. PLANIT Legal offers legal outsourcing. With the right partner, you can master the challenges of digitalization and solve personnel bottlenecks efficiently and cost-effectively. PLANIT Legal knows about the challenges of digitalization and has expert knowledge in IT and data protection law. PLANIT Legal lawyers are also very familiar with the processes and requirements of legal departments. The partners Dr. Sebastian Heb and Dr. Anna-Christina Roschek worked in the legal department of an internationally active technology group for many years and were able to gain valuable experience. Leah and her company can now benefit from this. PLANIT Legal can offer legal outsourcing within any scope, from support in individual matters or in crisis situations to covering for parental leave, sick leave, or holiday replacements. We can even take over all of a legal department's tasks. Leah is thrilled. Her challenges of digitalization and personnel bottlenecks are solved in a heartbeat. Find out more about our legal outsourcing service.